I'm Henry Toys and I'm with my grandma!
Yay! So today, Henry and I are going to make a red cabbage extract so you can determine the pH of any solution. So the first thing you need to do...
We gotta peel this off.
Exactly. Peel some off and throw it in there, Henry. Can you do that? Throw it into the blender.
I got a lot.
Good. How are we looking?
Oh, snap! Oh, that's what's inside? This is what's inside?
Yep.
There's still more. Oh!
Whoa.
Oh, it looks like a it did look like a basketball like that.
Okay, are you ready to crunch it up?
No, not yet. I'm gonna eat it all the way. Oh, this one's stuck real. Stuck.
Okay, I think that's plenty because you only need a few. So we'll eat the
one...
rest of this. This is good organic cabbage. We're gonna make some. We're gonna make some good coleslaw later. Okay, put that aside. Now you just blend it. Ready to get on?
This is what the action does, kids. There we go.
Okay, so the next step is to take your extract after you've blended it and filter it.
I want to do it.
Yeah, you're gonna hold the filter.
Hey, why my hands are Why my hands are purple? Oh yeah. Hey, he spilled some on my
That's
hand.
from the pigment.
He spilled some on my hand.
That's okay. It's just from the pigment in the red cabbage.
Do we eat it?
No, we don't need to eat that.
Why?
It's just water and cabbage, but we're gonna use it to test the pH.
Oh yeah, pH. Why do you call it pH?
Because it's a measure of the hydrogen ions.
Do we eat it?
No, we don't eat it. We're gonna eat the red cabbage later.
Yeah, I want to eat it right now.
But we don't want to eat the extract. Hey. Now the next step is to make our two controls, okay?
What is this for?
So the first thing we're gonna do is pour some red cabbage extract. Okay, what you're gonna do, Henry, is we're gonna do two controls here.
Is this plastic or metal?
That's plastic, but we're not using that right now.
I thought it was glass.
Nope. Watch these. Ready? Henry, I want you to add a little bit of baking soda to one of them.
Oh, which one?
This one. Careful.
Will it explode?
Nope. And now we're gonna mix it around.
Oh, it's blue!
It looks more blue, doesn't it? So I'm
That's
gonna
my favorite
cap
color.
this
That's my favorite
and give
color.
it a little bit of a mix. Okay, so that made it turn blue,
I dipped all of it.
Okay, and now I'm gonna try a little bit of vinegar.
Oh, maybe it will explode.
And let's see. Let's see what happens.
Oh, it turned red! Or pink. Same thing.
Look at that
It's
color.
pink. It's pink.
So now vinegar is very
It's
acidic.
pink. It's pink.
And
it was light blue.
this is baking soda.
Yeah, light blue was... Oh,
Okay.
this is purple.
Yes, that's the purple one. That's nothing yet. Should we add some milk and see what it turns to?
Yeah.
So here, put that down. All you have to do to get the milk is squeeze that and... Here, now,
This is a lot of milk.
put it in here. Can you...
Oh!
Okay. So that is more purple.
Yeah!
Right?
It's bigger.
Than the blue. Okay, so
Yeah.
let's see the pH of your juice box.
Yeah, I always do this. But
Okay.
it might always explode when I do that. I don't like these kind of juices.
I know you don't like this one.
I like the cookies one. I like the cookies. I hope it doesn't explode again. Yes, it didn't.
Okay, so now you need to put some of the juice box
Oh, there's still some.
into here. Ready?
Still more in there.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, it's violet!
Whoa, your juice box is kind of acidic, isn't it?
I want to try it again.
It's not as neutral as milk, right? Hey.
We made so many
We
of
made
them.
so many, and this was the most basic one we had. That was the baking soda.
Yep.
And that one was blue. See?
This is what this is what science do.
So actually, it goes like this.
This is what science do.
Scientists.
I'm a scientist.
Science is fun.
I am a scientist now. Bye. Please subscribe. Bye.